Welcome, students. In this video, we will learn about work, energy, and power. Let's explore each topic together. First, let's talk about work. In physics, work is defined as the energy transferred when a force is applied to an object, causing it to move. We measure work in joules, represented as J. Imagine pushing a toy car and making it roll forward. That's work. But if you push against a wall and nothing moves, no work is done because there's no movement. For work to happen, two things must occur. A force needs to act on an object, and the object must move in the direction of that force. When we lift something, like a book from a table, we're working against gravity. Gravity pulls everything toward Earth. So lifting an object means we're fighting against this pull. To calculate how much work we do against gravity, we use the formula W equal to m into g into h, where W is the work done, m is the mass of the object, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is how high we lift the object. Sometimes we apply force at an angle. For instance, if you pull a toy car with a string at an angle, only the part of the force that goes in the direction of the car's movement does work. We can calculate this with the formula W equal to F into S into cos theta, where F is the force, S is the distance moved, and theta is the angle between the force and the direction of motion. If a force acts at a right angle to the direction of motion, no work is done. For example, carrying a bag straight across while your arm pulls down doesn't help move the bag forward. When a force opposes the motion, like brakes on a bicycle, it does negative work, which we can calculate with the formula W equal to minus F into we have positive, negative, and zero work. Positive work happens when the force and movement are in the same direction, like kicking a soccer ball. Negative work occurs when the force opposes the motion, such as friction slowing a car. Zero work happens when the force is perpendicular to the motion, like the tension in a string when twirling it around. Now let's explore energy. Energy is the ability to do work. When you lift something, you transfer energy to it. So, when work is done on an object, it gains energy. And when work is done by an object, it loses energy. Energy can't be created or destroyed, only changed from one form to another, which is known as the conservation of energy. We measure energy in joules too. Energy can transform from one form to another. For example, when you throw a ball, it has kinetic energy, but as it rises, it changes into potential energy. Energy comes in many forms such as kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electrical energy, and nuclear energy. Kinetic energy depends on mass and speed. We calculate it by using the formula kinetic energy equals to half mv squared, where m is mass and v is velocity. The faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Potential energy, on the other hand, depends on height. We use PE equals to mgh, where m is mass, g is gravity, and h is height. The higher an object is, the more potential energy it has. Power tells us how quickly work is done or energy is transferred and is measured in watts. W. We calculate power by using the formula P equals W by T, where W is work done and T is time. Energy transformations happen all around us. For example, in a light bulb, electrical energy changes into light and heat energy. The law of conservation of energy tells us that energy can't be created or destroyed, just transformed. When a ball falls, its potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Examples of energy conservation include a falling object turning potential energy into kinetic energy, a pendulum swinging between potential and kinetic energy, and electrical appliances turning energy into light or heat. Now, here is a question for you. If you increase the height of an object you are lifting, what happens to the work done against gravity? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.